Albert Einstein is one of the most brilliant and influential minds in human history who revolutionized our understanding of the universe. However, there are lots of unimaginable facts about him you won't believe. From being expelled from school to struggling to find a job and playing a key role in the development of the atomic bomb during World War II. So follow me till the end. This is the journey you won't soon forget. Albert Einstein was born in 1879 in Germany and grew up in a secular Jewish family. As a child, Albert appeared to have great difficulty in talking, and this made his parents so concerned that they consulted a doctor. Also, he was known for his inquisitive minds and curiosity. He was not interested in toys or games like other children his age, and instead spent much of his time exploring and conducting experiments. However, at age 5, a gift from his father deeply affected young Albert, and that gift was a compass. He was mystified that invisible forces could deflect the needle, and this led to a lifelong fascination with invisible forces. Albert Einstein was an exceptional student during his early education. He struggled with traditional teaching methods and was often bored with rote learning. He didn't enjoy the military discipline of the teachers and often rebelled against their authority. But Einstein got high marks in most subjects, and his passion for physics and mathematics led him to become one of the most brilliant students in school. Einstein was 17 when he enrolled in Zurich Polytechnic. It was at Zurich Polytechnic where Einstein made many of his lifelong friendships and became interested in theoretical physics, which led him to pursue independent research on topics such as electromagnetism and the nature of light, and finally earned his diploma in 1900. After graduation, Albert Einstein had difficulty finding work in academia, and he secured a job as a technical assistant at the Swiss Patent Office from 1902 to 1909. This period played a crucial part in Einstein's life, and he formed some of his most important scientific concepts in there. Einstein published several groundbreaking papers, including his 1905 paper on special relativity, which led to his famous formula E=mc2 that fundamentally changed our understanding of space and time. Brownian motion and photoelectric defect, which eventually earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. While the early 1920s brought Albert Einstein's scientific recognition and fame, an unimaginable power began to form over Germany by the end of the decade. The rise of Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party meant that Einstein's world would change forever. Einstein decided to leave Germany in 1933 due to his personal safety, persecution of Jews, and his opposition to the policies of the Nazi government. Though in 1932, he was offered the position of President of Israel, but he declined as he felt he was better suited to continue his scientific work and went to America, where he stayed for the rest of his life. World War II began in 1939 when Germany invaded Poland. Around that same time, an old friend of Einstein named Leo Szilard understood that with Einstein's formula E=mc2, an extremely powerful bomb could be made. He discussed this with Einstein, and he agreed that such a bomb was possible. Einstein and Szilard wrote a letter to President Roosevelt outlining their concern. Upon reading the letter, Roosevelt began secret research into nuclear weapons called the Manhattan Project, and the US eventually built an atomic bomb which it used against Japan at both Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Albert Einstein died on April 18, 1955 at age 76 in Princeton. He was a truly remarkable individual whose contributions to science have had an immeasurable impact on our understanding of the universe, and his legacy will undoubtedly endure for generations to come. Let me finish this video with some of Einstein's most famous quotes. As you have noticed by now, this channel was made to show you the paths of most influential people on Earth. By subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button, you give us great energy to continue. Two things are infinite: the universe and human stupidity. And I am not sure about the universe. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. I know not with what weapons World War III will be fought, but World War IV will be fought with stick and stones. Logic will get you from A to Z. Imagination will get you everywhere. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. I'm enough of an artist to draw freely upon my imagination. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world.